The dealership service counter, where simple maintenance turns into a complex invoice. But your GMT 800 or GMT 900 Silverado was built for the long haul and for the driveway mechanic. Those glowing dash messages don't always mean a trip to the shop. From window resets to system calibrations, you can take control of your truck's health, especially that last one. Let's get to work. First up, the oil life reset. After you've swapped in fresh oil and a filter, you need to tell the computer that the work is done. Turn the key to on without starting the engine. Press the gas pedal 3 times, smoothly within 5 seconds. You'll see the life percentage reset to 100. Or use the steering wheel controls. Scroll to the oil life screen and hold the check button. A quick check of the dipstick confirms it's perfect. Clean oil, clear conscience. That's one dealership fee avoided. Next, the TPMS system. TPMS lights are a constant headache, especially after a tire rotation or winter wheel mount. When the sensors change positions, the computer needs to relearn where they are. The dealer will charge you for a full system scan just to click a few buttons. Instead, put the truck in relearn mode and use a simple handheld tool at each wheel. Listen for the horn chirp at each corner. Left front, right rear, then left rear. Set your pressures to the spec on the door jamb, and that amber light is history. Reset 3, the idle relearn. Swapping your battery can actually mess with your truck's idle. The computer loses its learned parameters and might struggle to find a smooth idle. Start the engine and let it idle for 3 minutes. Turn it off for 1, then idle for 3 more. Don't ignore the signs. If it's still rough, you might have a vacuum leak or a dirty throttle body. A little patience here saves a lot of diagnostic time later. Listen to what the truck is telling you. There it is, smooth as the day it left the factory. Now for those windows, did your auto-up feature stop working after a battery pull? It's a simple calibration procedure for the computer. Roll the window all the way down and keep holding the switch for 5 seconds. Then roll it up and hold for 5 more. The computer now knows the limits of the motor. This simple reset prevents you from replacing a perfectly good window motor. 1 tap and it's back to normal. Efficiency you can feel every time you drive. Simple fixes are the best fixes. Finally, let's make it personal. The personalization menu lets you change how your Silverado interacts with you. Want the horn to chirp when you lock it? Or the lights to stay on longer? It's all in the DIC. You can even set different preferences for driver 1 and driver 2. Remote start, approach lighting. Configure it once and forget it. Your truck, your way. Your Silverado is more than a tool, it's a partner. Treat it right and it returns the favor. The choice is yours. A cold waiting room and a hefty bill, or a warm driveway and a job well done. You don't need a master's in diagnostics for the essentials, just the right knowledge. Keep that GMT 800 or GMT 900 running strong. These trucks are legends for a reason. The miles tell the story. The maintenance ensures the sequel. Do it yourself, do it right. We'll see you on the road. Check the pinned comment for the exact year-specific steps. Drive safe.